Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning ChatGPT. In this lecture we learn about how write contact on GDP. Actually the GDP help us writing contact. Any queries come to mind you can ask here. With help artificial intelligence they give you answer of your questions. So already there are few questions you can just click. Got examples, quantum computing, got any creative idea for 10-year-old old birthday, how make HTTP request in JavaScript, right? Just we click here and enter, ask this question in JavaScript. There are several ways to make HTTP request in JavaScript. Best method I will explaining the best method according to his point of view. There are many ways writing the code of HTTP request in JavaScript. If you using the library framework provide you HTTP request in jQuery, these are questions. We want to clear it, delete. When request delete, automatically delete that's got any creative idea for 10-year-old birthday. Let's ask this question. Here is few ideas in birthday celebrations. They giving you few ideas which have on according to his point of view. New chat, clear here click new chat. Any question you can ask here. If you have any idea, any queries can ask here, they try to give you. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture.